The Effective Team Leadership course will help you to develop or improve upon your leadership skills and become the leader that people want to follow. The course discusses growth mindset. I can do this rather than I can't do this, and how to create this culture within a workplace, as well as the importance of coaching in order to achieve a working team that strives to problem solve and innovate for themselves. This course also looks into the benefits of effective leadership, including the positive impacts it can have on an organisation and the traits of a great leader. By taking this course, you'll be more equipped to support and lead those around you, as well as learn to empower others to be the best that they can be and inspire people to follow your lead. You can learn from the comfort of your own home at your own pace within the 1-year course timescale. You will have full tutor support throughout and unlimited access to your own professional learning platform, and this makes learning flexible and convenient. We have trained thousands of satisfied students, and our experienced tutors will be there every step of the way to help you complete your course. Train with an award-winning school. Choose the Effective Team Leadership course today, and we look forward to working with you to continue your professional development. We offer massage, beauty and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.